Former Liberian rebel leader Kunti Kamara has been sentenced to life in prison by the Paris Court of Appeal for numerous atrocities enacted during the country's first civil war, a relief for the victims. It is very important for the victims that this trial took place. It is really important that they were able to come here and give their testimony before the court. In that sense, we as plaintiffs are really satisfied with this. With no material evidence because of the chaos of the war, accusations relied on witnesses. French police officers went to Liberia and found about 15 people willing to testify. The testimonies were presented as irrefutable evidence because that's the only thing they had in this case. As a result, there were never really any doubts that were expressed in regards to these testimonies. This verdict comes as a boon for the victims who are seeing justice served nearly 30 years later. Civitas Maxima, the civil party that helped build the case, now hopes that the verdict will have an impact, especially in Liberia, where despite the thirst for justice, no war criminal has ever been tried.
People are embracing this trial. There's a test for justice in Liberia. The ordinary citizens do want justice. There are many people who will tell you about their stories, many people who will tell you about their experiences during the war. But again, there are others who are saying, well, let's move on, let's allow reconciliation, let's allow peace to reign. But lastly, there are more people who want accountability for past crimes.
However, Kamara's lawyers have 10 days to appeal, leaving the possibility for another trial.